what I did right, what I did wrong. I took 3 trades today, 1 loss, 1 win. All the trades I took were half size, but one of the losses was only one contract, so a fourth of my full size. Now, I was going half size just because I was recognizing market conditions. But, and also, the first setup wasn't that good. It was okay. I don't think it was bad, and I think it will work a lot of the time. But going into the morning, my main draw. So my draw was higher. I had a bullish bias. And although we never took this low here, we formed an SMT and got a lot of displacement up, making me think that this is just going to be another generated sell side to target later after we take buy side. So market opens right about here. And before pre-market, I'm watching this. We soup this low, get bought up, no SMT there. Market opens right about here. I see a sell-off, take this low here, enter the 5-minute fair value gap, and get a quick reaction out of that. And I jumped in just really tight risk, half size, to try to catch the big up move. Got stopped on that. And then we get this move here, which caught me off guard. I didn't think we'd dig that low, and then ran right back up. There was nothing here. No trades were here. No. I don't think this trade I took was that bad. The only thing that I did the reason I shouldn't have taken it was because I told myself that after we have all this accumulation here, I'm not taking anything until this low is taken or the high up here is taken. Because zooming out, if we look at like a 15-minute, we're so range bound. We're not taking buy side or sell side. We're just accumulating. So here we form a big SMT after taking out this sell side. We get displacement up. We also had an internal SMT here. And this is a 5-minute fair value gap overlined with a 1-minute. There's a 5-minute breaker here. Unicorn entry. I entered this one with a 1 contract just to mitigate risk. It wasn't super high probability. It looked good, but then again, I told myself I wasn't going to take anything until we hit this low. So then we take this low. We get bought up. And then I'm watching to see what price wants to do. So we get some displacement up. And I'm watching this retracement here. We go back to discount. We form an SMT with ES while holding this imbalance here and this order block. So I jump in long. If you can see right here on this big white candle, I entered right there as it was about to close. Almost wicked me out, but nevertheless worked out well. I could have added here, but I just didn't. I almost did. Took one off here at this high, actually a little early just because ES took it. And then I left my last runner to go to these equal highs, but we formed SMT and started hesitating, so I just took it off. I'm not unhappy with my exit. It was pretty good. So I'm up about 120 on the day, which isn't bad. What would I be up? Yeah, I'd be up about 240 or something if this was the only trade I took, but unfortunately had 2 L's in the morning. Not bad. This long was really clean. So yeah. And looking back, this setup was a whole lot better than the other setups I took. I'm still glad I went half size just because I know I would be hurt if it didn't work out. So yeah, that's about it.